Scribble is designed with simplicity in mind. Its drag-and-drop interface allows users with no design experience to quickly create ebooks. You simply choose a template, add content, and customize as needed. This makes it ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to produce polished ebooks without a steep learning curve. Scribble focuses on speed and convenience. It offers over 50 pre-designed templates across various niches, automated content extraction from URLs, and built-in features like a table of contents and page numbering. This tool is great for creating marketing materials, reports, or lead magnets quickly. Scribble allows basic customization, such as changing fonts, colors, and layouts. This is enough for most users who just want their ebooks to look professional without investing too much time in design. Scribble is a budget-friendly option. It typically requires a one-time payment for the basic version, with optional upgrades for extra features. It also includes a commercial license, allowing you to sell your ebooks or create them for clients. Choose Scribble if you're a beginner, marketer, or small business owner looking for a simple, affordable solution. Its speed and ease of use make it perfect for creating quick lead magnets or reports.